Hello and welcome to a new EasyDigitals.com video tutorial. Remember, you can get all of our high-quality Photoshop and Photoshop Elements templates at EasyDigitals.com. Just click on the Products button. And don't forget to sign up for our monthly newsletter. We give away free templates and tutorials each and every month, along with product update info and coupons. Okay, Kim, what easy tutorial are you going to show us today?
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make a poster with the Sport Design Elements Volume 1. And we're in Photoshop Elements right now. This is the poster that we're going to create, and I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And this is the poster that I'm starting with. And I have extracted this player from the background, and I have a tutorial on how to do that. I put him on a background from the Sports Backgrounds Volume 3. So I'm going to click on my Move tool, and I'm going to click View, Fit on Screen. Okay, now I'm going to make him a little bit smaller. Press Enter, and I'm going to go ahead and change this to 12.5 so I can see him better. And I'm going to open up my design elements that I want to use. Actually, that's the Photoshop one. And that would not work with elements because it has folders. So let me come over to this one. Okay, so I want to work with this set right here, and I'm going to come over to this particular one is called Torn, so I'm selecting something in it, and then if I come up to the yellow and I press Shift and select right above the other yellow one, then I can drag that entire set of layers into my workspace. So now I have what I need from that set. And I'm going to go ahead and close that out. You can also drag them individually, but this is a lot easier. Okay, so I still have all these selected, so I'm going to go ahead and resize it while I still have them selected. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up and press Enter. And I'm going to put this into place. I think it's about right here is where I want it. And then I have Auto Select Layer, Show Bounding Box, and Show Highlight on Rollover. I feel like that makes it a little bit easier to work with. Now I'm going to start working with these individual elements. So I'm going to come over, say, to the baseball and move it down here. I still want all of these, so I'm pressing Shift and all of these, and I want them below the player. So I'm going to drag it underneath my player. And I'm going to take my player and push him to the right with my arrow key. And I'm going to make this go to the right a little bit. So I'm going to match, I want to change the color here, so I'm selecting my type tool, and I'm going to select that, and I'm going to actually come over to my player and select a color off his uniform that I like. And I'm also going to select that and press Control-C so I have that on my clipboard if I want to change anything else to that color. So now I'm going to bring in my other element that I want to use in this. So I'm going to select this one, and I want this base. So I'm going to get my Move tool, and I'm going to select everything between from the yellow down to above the other yellow, and I'm going to drag it in. And you can resize these as necessary. I'm going to bring it down here and press Enter, and I'm going to actually take this baseball and move it above that. Okay, now it's starting to look like the one that we were trying to match. I'm going to press Enter, and then I'm going to come to my adjustment layer, Hue Saturation. I'm going to push it all the way to the left so everything goes to black and white. And then while I'm on this layer, I'm going to press Control-G so that it clips to the baseball. And I'm also going to change the color of this. So I'm going to turn on my color fill, double click that, and I'm going to press Control V, and that will paste the color that I had in my clipboard into that. Or I could just resample. By finding another spot in his uniform or sample this. Either way works fine. I just tend to like to copy and paste once I have a color. And then I'm going to open up my other template, and I'm going to grab this number out of here and bring it over, and I'm going to just drag it up to the top. And I want to use that color again, so I am selecting and Control V, like Victor. And so that all matches. And now I have my completed poster. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to work with all these different layers. If you have any questions, fill out a ticket on the website, easydigitals.com. Let me know if you get stuck. I'm happy to make new tutorials for people if they get stuck. I think it helps everybody. So just let me know and enjoy the template.
Hey, that was easy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this tutorial or any of our products, you can always reach us at easydigitals.com. Have a creative day.